What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. All right, there it is. We got the engine in. Check out the process, everybody. Woohoo! Woohoo! Here we are, here we are. We have the oil pan on. It's all good, nice and clean. All the bolts are down. We're good to go. Next thing I'm gonna do is pull it outside over there, pressure wash it, and then bring in the 240. I can't wait. My ship brake's right here, doing the finishing touches to the RX-7.
So my old new.
Yeah. If you guys haven't seen those videos of the roll cage, go watch those episodes.
I'm not going topless.
Oh, no topless. He's got some bolts to put on. And it'll be done. And then worry about the top up here. And then go for a cruise, man.
Yeah. SoCal.
And SoCal weather. Go at PCH. Woo! Hell yeah. And she's clean. Looking great, man. Looking good. Still gotta torque this down and figure out some of the lines that I rerouted down here. There's the old 240 right there. Gotta degrease her. I got the power washer right here. And can't wait. I just can't wait. It's gonna be great. Alright, so I'm just using some degreaser stuff. I don't know what it is. But yeah. Throw this in the bottle. Oh! Throw this in the bottle and spray it down. It's not really greased up. Yeah, somewhat. Alright, well here's a little another shot before. Yeah, it's kind of scary. I don't know what's living under here, but we'll find out tonight. Woo, she looks great. But before I show you guys, oh, Zuko, Zuko, Zuko! What's up, Zuko? Look at this is Zuko. We're gonna have a charity fundraiser for him soon. Get him a new pair of legs.
Bionic legs.
Bionic legs. Look at that dude. Zuko, 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 Zuko. He goes fast. Joey's here too. Yeah. I found your birthday yesterday, huh? Yeah, that's fun. Good stuff. So here we go, everybody. Woo! Looking good. I mean, yeah, there's oil stains or whatever, but a lot better than what it was earlier. I'll have to jack it up here in a minute and get the dirt and mud off because I did do it all in the mud and stuff. So, but yeah, she's looking good. Got to replace these stickers. They kind of got destroyed by the weather. Oh, this one's okay. This is the only one that's peeling. Dang, the other one's held up good. Huh. Woohoo! That's cool. And right there's nice. Blasted all that off. It's looking good. Looking good. Now we can pull the car in. Woo! Fuck the world. Yeah. Fuck the world. I want to see it. Alright, it's been a long day. It's nighttime, evening time. So what we're going to be doing is bring in the 240 right here.
She gets her top and then it's like, all right, get the
Yeah, get out, you're done.
Cover yourself.
Running cars, get out of here.
Broken cars.
Yeah, this is nice though, I still love this. This is so cool.
Here we go.
But anyways, yeah, we'll do more footage on the RX-7 coming up. I'm not too sure what we're going to be doing next. I think we talked about it earlier.
Roll it off a cliff and just say fucking.
Yeah, but yeah, we're going to bring in the car. We're going to do the old swapperoo right now.
It smells like I'm gonna pass out.
It's motor life.
It smells like burnt oil in my face. Hey, drift it, drift it. Getting the 240 into the shop. The music don't stop, but we don't stop.
Instagram to the people. Well, I'm
Say it with your chest.
of the 240 back to life.
Destination, the garage. Go. Let's see. Hi, Zuko. Keep going. Why'd you stop?
Turn right. I was going towards this. I know. I was like, oh fuck. And then Zuko went right in between.
Oh, you did?
Where the wall and the fucking car was.
Did you film him?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Crazy, man. You're a fucking daredevil, bro.
Whoa, she doesn't have a motor.
Am I a kid? Oh, fuck.
More like a K ain't.
Okay, so we had to take out the transmission because we couldn't fit the engine in it with the transmission inside the car. We were having stupid issues. Long story short, we pulled it out, popped it in, and
We're gonna merge it again.
merging. So the thing is, we didn't take off the drive shaft. We just kind of popped it out from the back of the transmission. So once we bring it down, we kind of have to guide it together, and we'll see how good that goes. Shouldn't be too hard. But yeah, we're almost there. We'll get back to you guys soon. Woohoo! Woohoo! Guess what? It's in the car now. It's ready. It's in there. Only we gotta do is take all these off. Lower this down a little bit more. Oh, almost. All right, try again. Go again. That's all. One more try. There we go. Woo! Gotta cut it all together. Sweet, man. We got it. We're firing on all rotors.
Nice. Put a rotary in there next.
Oh yeah. There we go. Next thing I gotta do is still bolt up the trans, the shifter for the trans, the power steering, and yep, we're good. We're good. Oh shoot.
So homie.
It's catching a fade. Woohoo! Update. Ready for update. Joey's back. He didn't get to see all the process of everything, but now you're here to.
Before.
Yeah, he's done. Yeah, we've done this too many times already.
I just
so
because honestly, I didn't want to do all that stuff again.
so I took care of it. It's
I
my
admit
car,
it.
so whatever.
I got the hard
Yeah,
part done.
he likes to bail on me. So.
Yeah, I got the hard part done. He did get the motor in, but I've done it 3-4 times already, so I took a break.
So here we are, everybody. All right, everything's all bolted down. All the brackets. The only thing I need to do is connect the O2 sensor down there. We gotta run the belts. There's a hose that we need to reroute back here to the back. The intake will go on there, or this chingadera. So we gotta add this on there. We got the new battery. Just for now, for starting purposes, we're gonna take this off, the oil cooler stuff. So this is gonna be just a oil filter on there now. Just temporary, just a little bit. And then that'll be it.
While he's down there plugging a bung, I'll put this on. Let's go. Unboxing. Let me unbox it for you. Whoa.
You know how we put the transmission fluid in? I'm gonna try in the bottom.
Oh no.
It didn't leak on the ground, but you see it around the hole.
This is basically all I need. He can do the gauge.
What was it leaking from the first time? You didn't have the bolt in there, right?
Oh yeah, there it is.
That was,
different color. You got all the woohoos.
All the woohoos. Give me that. What are you going on? What's going on?
I'm unboxing.
Oh, you're unboxing?
These are all the nipple colors you need. This is light. You nip
away
it.
from the wind.
Nip it, and then red, blue, and green. So we want green because we're always going fast.
Oh yeah, green means fast.
Yep. So this is all we need for to plug it in.
Because you already hooked up on the block already.
Yep. We already showed that. I believe we showed
Well,
that.
that'll be in this episode. Last episode was just like us getting everything together.
I don't know.
I don't know where we're at, man.
I'm in the future and the past. What's happening? But all I need is this and this wire. I'm just gonna plug it, bring it back here, put it in there, and then the captain will probably put his gauge somewhere for you.
Sounds good.
Move to the hoop. Woohoo! Ooh, get down to that. I can't remember that.
All right, so we ran the line. It's coming back. It's going right through the firewall. And I'm making my way. I gotta bolt these seats in still.
Hey,
What's up?
thanks for joining me. We're just gonna put it. I'm not even gonna take the thing off because we're gonna do something with the gauges.
Yeah, we're
Sure,
gonna
right?
put a pod right there, pod racer.
Yeah.
We're going pod racing, bro.
Do it, Manny.
It's working.
You better do that when the car starts. Like, give me those big old glasses and shit. Shove that baby in. And all it does is hold pressure. So some oil comes up and down, but there's just a little bit. But just once it pressurizes and goes. Whoop. So this isn't a final, but just something so we can see what's happening.
Make sure, yeah, just to make sure that the oil pump is good and we have good pressure. All right, we got the belts, and with good old YouTube magic, the belts will be on by themselves. Just like that, they're in. Good old YouTube magic. We got the hose right here. It's going back. That's ran. What else we're missing? So we just need the intake box, the battery. We need to add oil.
Top hose.
Top hose. Oh yeah. Oh, yep. I was like, what the hose? What the hose you talking about? That's all. Yeah, that's it. We can start her up. So it has a half a tank from that drift day. Yeah.
And then you'll start seeing that go up, and then if it stops, so you don't want to stress your starter. Crank it first.
We can't get in.
And then watch your oil pressure. And then I'll check for little leakies.
What about big leagues?
Maybe. Let's see what happens. Just send it. Want me to start her? All right. Yeah, woohoo! That was pretty loud. Well, plus we don't have the exhaust on, it's just headers. Attempt number 2. Ready? Right there is good. You want the third dot, right?
Wait, it's one and then a second one.
No, you're like two over there.
Which way?
Oh, we got pressure.
Where'd it go to?
We're at 20 pounds. It started creeping up. All right, here's number 3. Let's see. Ready? Yeah, something's leaking. It sounds really good.
Might have to readjust this now.
Yeah. There you go, everybody. We got it working again. Woo!
That's not bad. I'm satisfied with that. We might have to just do some backing lines and just get tune it back up, man.
Yeah.
We just need to tune it up. It was definitely running. It was like before, it was only running on like maybe 2 or 3 cylinders.
Yeah, the new spark plugs helped.
I think these 2 cylinders weren't running because it was like cool.
Yeah.
And now.
That's all just injectors too, that noise. That's all injector noise. You don't hear that rattling noise anymore, it's not the engine.
What's your oil pressure at now that's idling?
I like 15.
That's fine. They're not the whole tank, right? But we'll know that at least it's pressure.
No check engine light again, which is nice. It sounds decent.
Not bad. I think it needs to be tuned well.
Yeah.
Because that's on time there. So if you want to put a bolt Louis, I think it's right there.
Oh, hello. Not sure what day this is now. It's been a couple days. But thank you for tuning in like always. It's awesome. But yeah, this is great. I love that it's working again. It sounds really good. We just need to bring that idle down just a little bit and it should be okay. Starting at 20 pounds of pressure. There we go. A little more, a little more. Look down, go down more. Oh yeah. Woo! It's working! That's awesome, man. Let me turn it off before it gets a little too hot. There we go. We got it, baby. High five.
We got it.
We got it. We got it. Good.
It sounds good.
You got a big leaky now.
Yeah, it's okay. It's getting hot. Yeah.
It's just a hose.
It's a hose.
Any
No.
these hose.
Those hoses, the top hoses are tied down, but there's no.
Yeah, it's cool.
It's okay.
All right. We should do all those
water.
hoses.
Just water. We're good. Yeah, we're good. Woo! Well, there you go, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. At the next episode, we'll take it outside. We'll do a sick ass burnout.
Good. That sounded
And we'll just have fun with the car. We'll hit the track. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Like always, hit the thumbs up button, hit that notification bell up top, like, comment, subscribe. We'll all catch you guys next time. Woohoo!
Our hero, our champion, legend never die! Tonight, I feel just fine. Out on the street and out of my mind. Good guy knows well.
What's up, buddy? How you doing? Good? What's up, buddy? What's up, brother? What's up, brother? Happy birthday. Surprise! Until she parked by your car. Ah! She was like, right next to me? Ozzy Rally. Ozzy Rally. What's up, buddy? Come on in. Come on in. I know that Ozzy Rally was that's pretty clean. That's a clean one. That's too clean for the desert around here.
We were like not gonna hide up front, like, oh, you might see our wheels.